In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use custom elements in Wix. The first thing to know is that the exact location of the custom element widget depends on which Wix editing experience you are using. If you are working inside the classic Wix editor, click Add Elements. Then go to Embed Code. Choose Popular Embeds and select Custom Element. If you are using Wix Studio instead, click Add Elements, then open Embed and Social. Find Custom Element and click the plus icon to add it to your site. The paths are slightly different, but the goal is the same. Getting the custom element placed onto your page so you can configure it. Once the element has been added, select it and click the Choose Source button. This is where you decide where your JavaScript code will come from. You have two available options. The first is Server URL. Choose this if you want to host your bundled JavaScript file externally. If you use this option, make sure you enter the full absolute path, including the file name, so Wix can load the script correctly. The second option is Velo file, which is generally the recommended choice. This lets you host the code directly inside your Wix site's file structure. If dev mode is not already enabled, Wix will automatically turn it on for you and generate a new script in your site's public files folder. That can make development a little more organized, especially if you want to keep everything inside the Wix environment. After choosing your code source, move to the Element Settings panel and locate the tag name field. This part is very important. The tag name you enter here must exactly match the custom HTML tag that you defined in your JavaScript registry file using the custom elements .defined method. If those names do not match perfectly, the custom element will not register properly. Also, keep the syntax rules in mind. Standard web component tag names must contain at least two words separated by a dash. In other words, the name cannot be a single plain word. Following that naming convention ensures your custom element is valid and recognized as a web component. Next, write your JavaScript code. Your source script needs to create an autonomous custom element class that extends the standard HTML element class. This is the foundation of the custom element and allows it to behave like a proper web component inside your Wix site. If you need guidance while writing the code, you can look through the Wix developer documentation, code examples for reference and structure. Take your time with each setting, especially the source selection and tag name, because those are the most common places where setup issues happen. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.